Hello everyone, how are you all? So, in the last lecture, we had studied about the parallel line and the transversal line, how the normal line is moving to the parallel line, and how many angles they are forming when the transversal line intersect the normal line or parallel line. So we learned about that there are 8 angles when the parallel lines and the transversal line intersect. So these angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Angle 8, and we also studied about the relationship when the two lines are parallel between these angles. So we want a quick recap so that you can better understand. So I'm taking the two lines which are the parallel lines, line X and line Y, and this is our the transversal line, and this is line Z. We know now how many angle there are 8 angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. We know the relationship between alternate interior angle, so what are those angle alternating that are forming the alternate interior angle? So these are the angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. So these are the alternate pair of alternate interior angle. So the next is alternate exterior angle. These are the angle 2 and angle 7 is equal to angle 7 and angle 1 equal to angle 8. So these are the two pair of alternate exterior angle. Same side interior angle are, this is the our first, this is second, third is angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, and one more is angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree, and one more is corresponding angle. So which angle are forming the corresponding angle? These are the angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and angle 3 equal to angle side. On the another side, angle 2 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 8. So these are the quick overview about we have studied in the last lecture. So for today's lecture we are going to solve some questions. So this is the question: find the value of the unknown, giving brief reason of your answer. So here are some unknown value. You have to find the value of these. And one more thing is here is that when the two lines are parallel, then how we will represent it symbolically. So when the two lines are parallel, then we will represent it by the arrow symbol. Okay, so in this question, all the subpart contain the arrow symbol. It is showing that they all the lines are the parallel, and you have only find the value of the variable. So in the a part, this is the parallel line, and this is our 115 degree, and this is x naught. Got it? So these two angles lying on the same side of the lines. This is line X and line Y. these are the lower side of line x and this is the lower side of the line x. So these are the corresponding angle, and we know that these lines are the parallel, so corresponding angles are equal in the case of the parallel line. So the value of the variable in this case will be 115 degree. Okay, got it. So in the second part you have to find the value of the variable f. So check carefully which angle they are forming. We know that they are the parallel line. Okay, so these are the parallel line and their transversal line. This is f naught and this is 139 degree. So they are on the same side of the transversal line, and we know that the same side of the transversal line they are forming the supplementary angle. Supplementary means 180 degree. So f naught plus 139 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then you have to solve for f degree is equal to 180 minus 139 degree. So it will be 180 minus 139 will be 174. So 41 degree. So the value of the variable f will be 41 degree. In the next part, C, you have to find the value of the variable h. So check what is the relation between the two angles that is given h degree and the 58 degree. So this is the C part. These lines are the parallel, and this is h degree and this is 58 degree. These are the opposite angle and they are on the inner side of the two lines. So these are the alternate interior angle and the lines are the parallel. So the alternate interior angle are the equal. So h degree is equal to 58 degree. So in the next D part, the lines are the parallel and this is our transversal line, and this angle is 27 degree and this is angle the this is our J, and they are forming the same side interior angle. They are present on the same side of the transversal line, and we know same side angles forming the supplementary angle which is 180 degrees. So f degree will be 180 minus 27. So 180 minus 27 will be 73. It will be 73. So for next part is our E part. Quickly you have to try. So in the E part, what is the relation between these two angles? These are the our lines, and this is the transversal line. The lines are the parallel line. This is the T note and this is 115. Oh sorry, 155 degree. So they are forming the alternate interior angle. So in the case of parallel line, alternate interior angle the equal. This is the E part, and in the F part it is they are forming the same side interior angle on the transversal line, and they are forming the supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. You have to simplify this, is equal to 180 degree. So d degree is equal to 100 by 2 and d degree is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so the remaining part you have to try. So in the next question what you have to check, These diagrams are not to scale, but the information on them is correct. Decide whether AB is parallel to CD, giving a brief reason of your answer. You have to check whether they are the parallel line. For checking the parallel line, you have to check whether the corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, and the alternate exterior angle are the equal. And one more thing is the same side interior angle on the transversal line are forming the supplementary angle or not. So you we are going to check for a these are the same side angle on the transversal line, and so you have to check they are forming the 180 degree or not. So they are forming 179 degree. This is not equal to 180 degrees, so they are not the parallel line, not parallel line. So in B, this angle and this angle are given. So these are in the relation between these two angle are the corresponding angle. The corresponding angle are equal. So these are the parallel lines. In the C part, the relation 76 degree and 76 degree are equal. They are the alternate interior angle, and the alternating interior angle are equal in this, so they are the alternate interior angle are equal, so they are parallel line. In the B part you have to write they are forming corresponding angle, and these are equal, so they are the parallel line. That's why they are parallel lines. Okay, so this is all over for today's class. Then you have to practice from your book so that you can understand the concept of the parallel and transversal line. Thank you.